How to log in to Crunchyroll on TV. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can log into Crunchyroll on your TV, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Logging into Crunchyroll on TV is very simple. First of all, you have to make sure you have the app downloaded. So go to your app store on your TV. In my case, it's over here. In the search app section, just go ahead and search for Crunchyroll. And once you search for Crunchyroll over here, you should most likely see the Crunchyroll application load up. Just make sure that you've downloaded this application. If you have not downloaded, you'll find the download or the install button. In my case, I've already downloaded it. Now what you have to do is click the open option. Once you click the open option, it's going to open the Crunchyroll application, which could of course take a while to load depending upon your processor or maybe just the internet connection. Now just click the login button, and now I'm assuming you already have an account. Over here you can see login with the code, or you can go to login with email instead, or you can also create an account. In this case, I'll just select login with email. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and then actually enter my email address in this case. So let me also go ahead and do that. So once you've entered your email or username and your password, if you're not sure what password you have typed in, you can click the I button there, or you can just scroll down, click the login option. Once you click the login option, if your Crunchyroll details are correct, you'll be successfully signed in to your Crunchyroll account. As you can see, I'm also logged in. And this way you'll be able to go ahead and then log into your Crunchyroll account on TV. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.